My name is Mariah Williams, and I'm going to be going over the Module 11 discussion, email differences across generations. So my first one is Gen X. That is Cindy. She's our clinical director. She's over various clinics. She says for emails, clear, direct wording, provide lots of details and information, use proper grammar, and make sure you know who's attached to the email. She says, do not leave out pertinent information, use slang, don't make the email confusing, and use the email. Do not use the email for inappropriate non-work related things. And she says, that's part of the reason she says, make sure you know who's attached to the email, because if it's not appropriate, it could get you in trouble, especially if it's just something that's day-to-day activity. For millennial, that's Nicole. She's a fellow RN. And she works with me in the clinics. She says, be friendly, short and to the point, proper grammar. For her, short and to the point, it's just easier when you're busy and out on the floor. You don't have time, or if you're in a clinic, you definitely don't have time. She says, do not use excess wordiness, slang, and no information about other employees in the emails. She says that's what a phone call's for. And her do nots kind of go with the busyness side of what we do. For Cindy, when she uses it, she uses emails to keep a paper trail, and when trying to address a general topic, she does like using phone calls for anything that's sensitive information. Nicole likes to use it for quick communication, for general information to and from HR clinic directors, so just a brief overview of information. The similarities and differences are proper grammar, no slang, be nice to the people that you're talking to, salutations, greetings, and telling them thank you at the end. Both prefer the email to lead up to a phone call for further details if they need to. The main differences are length, and who they typically email determines how they form the email, and the length and formatting typically. And also the differences is how detailed the information is. Nicole is an RN and Cindy is a clinical director. Nicole might not always need to give more information, but Cindy will, especially when she's sending out team huddles and information like that, and safety briefs. And thank you for listening to my Module 11.